Guys, how you doing? So, this Kev's RC Basher School that I've been working on for the past 6 weeks, I've got it to the point now where I can release it, and I'm going to put a link down below where you guys can get in on this. Now, it's not fully finished yet. I'm still working on it. I'm still adding some more content, and hopefully some of you guys that jump in early are going to be able to give me a little bit of feedback and let me know how it is, if there's anything in there you want me to add to it, if there's anything in there you want me to change, if anything's missing, you know, just some ideas to kind of polish it up. So, you know, this RC school is never going to be finished. Whenever I sort of get new information, I'm going to be putting it in this course. Every time new sort of technology comes out, if I learn new stuff, if I sort of feel there's something that I should add into this course, then I will always add that into this course. And you only got to buy this thing once, guys. Once you've bought it, that's it. All the content that I'm ever going to be putting on this thing is going to be free for life. So, guys, you know, it's cheap for now. Once I get this thing more polished up, then the price is going to go up slightly. So it's kind of a bit like a beta testing thing, or beta testing, whatever you want to call it. So some of you guys that can get in there early, going to get it at a cheaper price. And hopefully you guys can give me a little bit of feedback so I can make it even better, and then the price is going to go up to whatever price it's going to be. And I'm not really sure how much I should charge for this thing. You know, I want to keep it fair. I've put a lot of work into this. There's 27 years of my knowledge and my work gone into this. You know, it's taken me 6 weeks to build it, and it's never going to be finished. I'm always constantly going to be adding to this thing. So you know, it's got to be a fair price, guys. So give me a note in the comments, guys. What do you think a fair price would be? For now, it's $27. So if you click the link down below, you can get in on this at today's price. And then when new content comes out, it's all going to be on there for free. So let's quickly jump into my PC and I can show you guys what this thing's all about. All right, so here we are on my computer, logged into the course. So it's laid out in all different chapters. So you've got a welcome, choosing your car, maintenance and repair, setup, modification and hop-ups, driving techniques, body shells, batteries and chargers, a look at my personal collection, and a little bit about Nitro. Now, this course is based mainly around electric vehicles. I mean, a lot of the information on here is going to be like suitable for both electric and nitro, but when it comes to actually tuning nitro engines and all that kind of stuff, there's a few links to some decent YouTube videos down here, and these are not my videos, by the way, and this is something I will be looking at into the future. I'm going to try and get someone on board that's an expert, that's going to sort of, and I'm going to make my own videos to put on this course later on, but at the moment it's more for like electric RC cars. So, starting off at the beginning, welcome and resources. So each section, when you click on it, you're going to be blessed with a video, and underneath I'm going to sum it up with some key points and stuff that's sort of relevant to the video. So at any point in time you can come back and you can just have a look at these things in the description, just as a quick reference. So by the way, guys, there's a 30-day money back guarantee. So whatever the reason, if you're not happy, you know, as long as you've viewed under 30% of the content, all you got to do is email me and you'll get your money back right away. So, coming down to choosing cars, I go over all the different types of cars. I get people asking me all the times, you know, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, electric, nitro, what brand, you know, buying used, what size, you know, and I go through all of that on this sort of thing in here. And it's going to be different for everybody, you know. At the end of the day, it's going to come down to what you like. And then we go into repair and maintenance. And so I start off with a little look into my workspace, tools, soldering lessons, how to look after your bearings, even where you can get bearings from for really, really cheap. You know, there's a ton of content in here that's going to save you a load of money, also save you a load of time, and just to get the most enjoyment out of this hobby. So then we go into another section of setups. So this is like all about suspension, differential tuning, gearing, all stuff like that. And I will be adding a lot more to this as time goes on. Then modifications. This is probably one of the main sections here, because once we've got our car, you know, obviously first we want to make the right choice and buy the right car. But after that, we want to make sure we get the right parts on there. You know, we want to get the right modification parts on there. We don't want to spend a load of money on a load of parts that are going to make the car worse. So we want to be putting our money into the parts that are going to be right for the car to make the car more bashable. And then we go into sort of like bashing and driving techniques. And if we have a look in here, you know, there's a lot of videos in here about in-air control. And so this one here, for example, it is kind of... Alright guys, in this video... Let me fast forward it to where we actually get to the... So, as we can see, we're not going too fast. As we hit the ramps, a little bit of acceleration. Then a slight blip of the accelerator just to stop it from nose diving and to keep those wheels... As you can see, nose is a little bit high. Quick tap of the brakes. And it levels out nicely in front. So there's loads and loads of content about that in-air control. And then also there's some more, if we go a little bit deeper, we've got a whole section on stunts, and there's a whole load of videos in here, all different stuff. So we've got back flips, front flips, wall back flips, standing back flips, bicycle moves, and there's going to be even more added to this as time goes on. And pretty much it's in exactly the same content. So if we click on these videos, so as you can see, guys, I'll start off with by telling you guys how to set the car up. I then go into like how the sort of the basics of the technique, and then we go into a video with a camera actually on my remote controller, so you can see the exact moves what I do. Then we go a little bit into painting body shells and cutting body shells out. We talk about batteries and chargers, and then we have a look at my personal collection. So every single car that I've got, we have a little look at that, and we also have a look at what modifications I've got on that car. So there you have it, guys. By no means is this thing finished. There's still a ton of content that's going to be going into this thing. So for now, guys, the price is going to be $27. Later on, the price is going to go up a little bit once this thing's all a bit polished up. So guys, check out the link below. Remember, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. As long as you watch under 30% of the content on there, just send me an email. The email address is in the course. Send me an email, say, Kev, I don't want it, it's not for me, you know, something like that, and then I'll send you the refund straight away. So, alright guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash that bell button to stay notified. See you soon, guys. Bye.